Listen up, because this is important. The AI laptop revolution just began. Are you ready? Let me tell you something. I've been following the AI space closely for years now, and let me tell you, things are about to change dramatically. So here's the deal. See those fancy AI laptops they advertise on TV or online? Yeah, those ones. Well, they can do some pretty amazing stuff, but there's a big problem. They cost a fortune. I'm talking about the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, the Asus ZenBook 14 XOLED, even that Dell XPS 13 Plus. Okay, these laptops are supposed to be the next big thing, but guess what? They are way too expensive for most people. So here's my question for you. What if I told you that you could get an equally good laptop with similar features without breaking the bank? What if I told you that you could get one for under $799? Would you believe me? Now hold on to your seats because I'm about to blow your mind. Okay, so here's the thing. Regular laptops, right? They've been around forever. But these new AI laptops, they're different. They have special chips inside called TPUs. These TPUs are like little brains that help the laptop do all that cool AI stuff like talking to you and helping you with your work. But here's the problem. Those fancy AI chips, they take up a lot of space inside the laptop. And when I mean a lot, I mean a lot. It's like trying to fit a big dog into a small house. It just doesn't work well. And here's the result. Because these chips take up so much space, it's hard to make them really powerful. And by powerful, I mean capable of doing lots of things at once. Like running multiple programs, playing games, and watching videos all at the same time. It's like trying to get a big dog to play with a little ball. It just doesn't have the energy for it. But wait, there's more. Because these AI chips are so big, they need a lot of power to run. And when I mean a lot, I mean a lot. It's like trying to power a big doghouse with a tiny solar panel. It just doesn't have enough power. As a result, these AI laptops have big batteries. I'm talking about huge batteries that you wouldn't believe. It's like giving a big dog a tiny bowl of food. It just doesn't have enough power. And then there's the heat. These AI chips get hot, like really, really hot. It's like trying to keep a big dog cool in the summer. It's tough. And as a result, these AI laptops have to have big cooling systems to keep the chips from overheating. It's like giving a big dog a big bowl of water to cool off. But the problem is, big cooling systems take up a lot of space. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot. It's like trying to fit a big bowl of water in a small doghouse. It just doesn't work. And finally, these AI laptops are really heavy. I'm talking about really, really heavy. It's like trying to carry a big dog with you everywhere you go. And as a result, these AI laptops are not very portable. It's like trying to take a big dog for a walk. You need a big leash. So these AI laptops need big carrying bags. Now, despite all these challenges, many companies are still trying to make these AI laptops smaller and more powerful. It's like trying to train a big dog to fit in a small house. They're determined to make it work. For example, Microsoft has developed a new version of its Surface Laptop Go that is smaller and lighter than the original. Companies like Intel and AMD are working on new chips that are smaller and more efficient. But let's be real. Making these AI laptops smaller and more powerful is hard. It's like trying to train a big dog to do tricks. It takes a lot of time and effort. And then there's the price. As I said before, these AI laptops are already really expensive. And when I mean really expensive, I mean really, really expensive. It's like trying to buy a big doghouse on a tight budget. It just doesn't make sense. So here's where it gets interesting. You see, there's another way to make AI laptops more powerful without actually making the AI chips smaller. And that is to connect them to other computers. That's right. By connecting AI laptops to other computers, they can tap into their processing power and memory to do even more amazing things. For example, Microsoft has developed something called the Copilot, which is basically a program that helps you be more productive. It uses AI to analyze your work and give you suggestions and even help you automate repetitive tasks. But the problem is the Copilot runs on the laptop, which means it has to use the laptop's limited processing power and memory. But what if instead of running the Copilot on the laptop, we could connect the laptop to a more powerful computer that has more processing power and memory? That would mean that the laptop could do even more amazing things. For example, imagine being able to run multiple Copilots at the same time, each working on a different task. Or imagine being able to access much more data and information through the Copilots. Or imagine being able to collaborate with others in real time through the copilots. All of this is possible by connecting AI laptops to other computers. But here's the best part. You don't need any fancy equipment or software to do this. All you need is a good internet connection and a compatible computer. Of course, this does require some changes to the design of the laptop, but these changes are relatively easy to make and don't require any major breakthroughs in technology. For example, the laptop needs to have a good internet connection. This means having a fast and reliable Wi-Fi adapter or a good Ethernet port. It also needs to have a processor that is compatible with the cloud-based AI services. This means having a processor that is powerful enough to handle the data and computations required for AI tasks. And finally, the laptop needs to have enough memory and storage to store the data and applications needed for AI tasks. This means having at least 8 GB of RAM and a solid-state drive with plenty of space. With these basic requirements in place, the laptop can connect to other computers and take advantage of their processing power and memory. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for what AI laptops can do. They can become much more powerful and versatile without having to sacrifice size, weight, or battery life. But here's the thing. While this idea is simple in theory, it does come with some challenges in practice. For example, connecting to other computers can introduce latency and other performance issues. It also requires a secure and reliable connection, which can be difficult to achieve in all environments. Additionally, it raises concerns about privacy and security, since data and applications will be stored and processed on other computers. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of connecting AI laptops to other computers are too great to ignore. Imagine a future where every student or professional has access to a powerful AI laptop that can help them learn and work more efficiently. A future where doctors can use AI to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. Where engineers can use AI to design products faster and more efficiently. Where artists can use AI to create new and innovative works. All of this is possible if we can solve the challenges of connecting AI laptops to other computers. And who knows, maybe one day soon this will become a reality. Now here's the thing. While regular laptops might seem boring compared to the flashy AI laptops, they have some hidden potential. You see, regular laptops can connect to other computers just like AI laptops. And when they do, they can do some pretty amazing stuff, like share files and even work on the same projects. Plus, regular laptops don't have those limitations that AI laptops do. They're not super heavy or have giant batteries. And they don't overheat as much because they don't have those big AI chips. So here's the bottom line. Don't get sucked in by the hype of AI laptops. Sure, they're cool, but they're not the end of the world. Regular laptops are still useful and can do some pretty amazing things too. And hey, if you want to save some money, consider getting a regular laptop and connecting it to a more powerful computer. That way you get the best of both worlds. You get the convenience of an AI laptop without breaking the bank. So what do you think? Are you team AI laptop or team regular laptop? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, just because something is new and flashy doesn't mean it's better. Sometimes the old school stuff is still pretty useful too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.